Hello everyone, we at Infometry welcome you to experience an amazing implementation of Infometry Google Sheet connector with Informatica. Today we are going to learn how to insert data from local.csv file to Google Sheet. As you can see, I have a CSV file with certain data to be inserted to an empty Google Sheet. But we have to make sure header of our Google Sheet and .csv file would remain same. So now we'll be logging to Informatica. After logging to Informatica Cloud, we have to click on New. Then we'll go to Mapping, then select Mapping and create a new mapping task. So name of this mapping task you can put as per your desire. So for now I am putting as PKSVed. Now select source. So for inserting the data from CSV file to Google Sheet, source should be your flat file, that is your CSV file. So after clicking on source, select the connection. So as I said, this is going to be your CSV file, so I'll select the connection for my flat file. Then click on Object. You'll get the list of CSV file linked with this particular connection. So I have this CSV file data to be inserted into Google Sheet. Now click on Target. Here we have to select connection for my Google Sheet. Then select Object. Here you will get list of Google Sheet linked with this particular connection. So I want to insert my CSV data into Sheet 1. Now I'll go to Field Mapping. Since my field map option is manual, I'll have to do a smart match by clicking on Auto Match. So my smart match is done. Now I'll save my task and click on Run. Here we need to select our runtime environment and run. You can see your running task under My Jobs. So click on My Jobs. So here we have our task which is starting now. So we have a new update available. So I'll click on Refresh. And the task is done. So the data which we had in our .csv file is now imported to our Google Sheet. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos on Infometry products and solutions, please subscribe, share and like this video.